A div element is a block level element that is often used as a container for other HTML elements. Like a div element has the ability to encompass other elements within it. For instance, let me show you what a div tag looks like. So we have a div. Let me close this tag and closing tag. Div again. Now inside this div tag it can encompass other elements. So let's say we can have h2 tag, which should be an header for whatever I want to do. So let's say London h2, and here let's have a paragraph. So inside our paragraph, let's talk a little bit about London. So let's just say London is the capital state or city of England. Fair enough. So inside this, since it's a container, we can style this entire container. Let's say we want to change the background of this container. So I want to set this equals to, first I want to change is the background. Now I want the background color to be black. So but that's not the only thing I want to change here. So I want to change the text color of everything inside this to be white. So apart from that, let's also change the padding. Now if you don't know what padding is for now, you don't have to worry, just follow on with this. So let's set the padding to 20 pixel, and let's see this how it looks like. Oh, something's wrong. Our text should be white, but it's not showing. Okay, I think I know why. So our style attributes ended here before, so now let's preview this. Now as you can see, we've created a section within our web page. Now then, we didn't change the entire background of the body, we only changed the background of this div tag, which comprises of the h2 and the paragraph. Now we'll change the background to black and the text color to white. Now the space between those texts and the border of this div tag is known as the padding. Now we've also increased the padding to 20 pixels. Let's change the padding to 40 and see how it looks. Now you can see now that there's more space between the text and the border. So that's the work of the padding. So I hope you. So that's about it for our div tag. Now the other question: what is a span tag or a span element? Now, like our div, which is a block element, our span is an inline element. It's also used as a container for some text, but just as an inline. Like London is the capital city. Like to highlight something important. Now let's assume we want to highlight this capital city. We want to make the color to be red. Just the capital. Instead of styling the entire p tag, you can just put a span around this capital. You have span, and we are going to change the style. I'm going to set it equals to, all we want to change is the color, and the color we want to give it is red. So let me close my span tag. Capital city is what we want to have. We are going to close our span tag. So now let's preview this and see how it looks. Now as you can see, we said London is the capital city of England. Now the div tag comprises both the H1, both the H2 header tag and the P tag, while the span tag only comprises between the capital city, just the capital city, which is within the P tag. So that's the function of both div and span tag. So thank you guys for watching. For more videos on HTML tag, web design, or mobile web design, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys later.